Okay, here we are on the other side, and at least over here we'll be able to see. I've come to the conclusion, or maybe the realization, that we're not going to catch anything. This is just a exercise in futility, I guess you might say. But let's see what we can do. There ought to be something going between these two little points. If that's your intention. If not, let's put a fresh worm on it, give it a better chance anyway. We will cast right straight over our head. We sort of been casting sideways. Yeah, getting a bunch of muck. That's the thing about this pond, it is full of muck. Like I say, you need to keep your worms cool and damp, not soaking wet. We may not catch a fish, but we're going to get a picture of those two thistles before we go. Got a feeling that's the only success we're going to have. And see all that muck out there, we're not going to get through that stuff. Casting straight over my head is hard with my right shoulder because of my still never recovered from my completely from my shoulder surgery. And if you're going to fish, you need to be out here at the crack of dawn. Show up at 8:30 and think you're going to catch fish. You need to have the bug spray, unless you don't mind itching, and the ticks are dangerous. Okay, we're going to do one more cast. We'll do that with our left hand. Get through this muck. Okay, haul ass, get through the muck. Okay, this is it, folks. A lot of patience. Patience. Heck, I'm going out and getting the road. Okay, let's do over our head. Straight out. See, that was a nice cast. Yeah, this is a little Zebco 33. It's old as hills. Still works real good. I don't know what, little 2-foot pole. So this would be an old Zebco 33. Old Sarge up there at the federal prison had some brand new Zebco 33s like this in the box. Or maybe it would have been older than these. I wish I'd bought them. Not old Sarge. Charlie out the federal pen. Yeah, me running my mouth doesn't help. Okay, if you're gonna bite, bite. If not, we may cast one more time with our left hand out back over there. Fish ought to be moving between these 2 points. I think my worm's caught up on my cork. We never used any artificial worms or lures. What little we did, we never were successful. I guess we just didn't know what we were doing. We catch fish with worms, but artificial bait and lures we never were good at. Okay, we're going to do one more cast. One more cast, people. That's going to be it. My patience is gone. That cast wasn't like I wanted, but if I'd gone any further, it'd have been in the muck over there. Well, we may throw it out a couple more times just to let people see this Zebco 33 on a 30-inch, 24-inch pole. Just have it as a review for start another one, a review for an old Zebco. Let's reel it in slow, maybe something will grab it. Let it move a little bit, sit a little bit. I know they're fishing here. I saw him catch a pretty nice bass yesterday. He wasn't over there. If I knew he wasn't going to be fishing, I'd have went over there. Many and many a nights down at Simpson's Lake. Catbirds carrying on, catching fish. Have to drive home and clean fish. Let's turn this off. Maybe we'll catch something if we turn it off.